Today, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to change your delivery address after ordering on Chowdeck. Step 1. Know that address changes aren't guaranteed after ordering. Chowdeck home policy is built around modification not being guaranteed once you have paid, especially once the vendor has accepted or started preparing your order. So treat this as try, but don't count on it rather than a straightforward feature. Step 2. Add immediately through in-app chat. The moment you realize the address is wrong, open in-app chat and reach support as fast as possible. Speed matters here since your chances drop the further along your order gets. Step 3. Understand what happens if the rider is already en route. If the rider ends up going to different location because your address was incorrect or incomplete, address policy states that you will be required to pay an additional delivery fee to get your order redirected to the correct address. This isn't a free correction. Step 4. Know your alternative if not too late to redirect. If support can't redirect the rider in time, your realistic options become either receiving it at the wrong address if possible, or in some cases, having the order cancelled, which follows the same limited cancellation rules we have covered. Not guaranteed once accepted. Step 5. Prevent the problem next time by double checking before you pay. Check your orders very carefully since this is a squarely on the customer gets right upfront, not something the platform positions as easy fixable afterward. And also know that prevention is better than cure. So when ordering, be extensively careful.